welcome to BeatViz. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Editor Mode to create AI music videos with full creative control. We'll cover creating a new editor project, generating first frame images, creating AI videos, organizing assets, editing on the timeline, replacing and rearranging clips, building a complete music video workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to turn your music into a fully customized AI music video using BeatViz Editor. Let's get started. First, open BeatViz and switch to Editor Mode. To create a new project, upload your audio file, enter a project name, then click Create Task. BeatViz will process your audio and open the editor workspace. Once the project loads, you'll see the Editor Mode interface. Editor Mode is divided into two main sections. On the left side, you'll find the Generation workspace. This is where you create all of your visual assets, including images and videos. On the right side, you'll see the Audio TIM. LN. This is where you arrange and synchronize visuals with your music. The workflow is simple. Generate visuals on the left. Then place and align them on the timeline on the right. The left panel contains three core functions: first frame image generation, video generation, audio analysis. Audio analysis is provided as a visual reference only and does not automatically generate content. At the top of the panel, you'll see all generated images and videos. At the bottom is the generator area where you enter prompts, upload references, select models, and adjust settings. Think of this panel as your visual asset studio. Everything is created here before being added to the timeline. Let's create a first frame image in the generator section. Select image. Choose your preferred image model. Enter your prompt. Optionally upload a reference image, then click Generate. A first frame image is extremely important because it establishes character appearance, composition, visual style, overall artistic direction. The stronger your first frame image is, the more consistent your generated videos will be. If you're not satisfied with the result, click the plus button and upload a character reference image. Then provide a more detailed prompt describing appearance, clothing, facial features, environment, mood, lighting, camera, composition. Once you're happy with the settings, generate again until you achieve the desired look. After generating a first frame image, you can use it to create a video. Simply drag the image into the first frame slot. Then switch to video generation. Select the video model. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. Write a video prompt. When writing prompts, be specific about character actions, camera movement, camera angles, shot types, mood and atmosphere. For example, the character slowly turns toward the camera. Soft smile, cinematic lighting, low angle shot, smooth orbit camera movement. Then click Generate. BeatViz will create an AI video clip based on your instructions. As your project grows, you'll generate multiple clips. You can freely rearrange clip order, replace clips, remove clips, regenerate individual scenes. This gives you full control over the structure of your music video. You don't need to regenerate the entire project if one scene needs improvement. Simply replace the section you want to change. Now let's look at one of the most powerful features in Editor Mode: lip sync. Select the audio segment you want to synchronize. On the right side timeline, highlight the exact audio region containing the vocals or speech. BeatViz will use this selected audio to drive mouth movement generation. Define the visual direction, provide a prompt describing the character. The scene, the visual style. You can also upload a reference image. The prompt and reference determine the appearance. The selected audio controls the lip movement. This allows BeatViz to generate videos where the character's mouth movements follow the chosen audio segment.